GoPro malfunction big time. Finding a lot of coins in this area. Zinc pennies, mostly zinc pennies. Okay, there we go. Bring it over my way here a little bit. Sounds like a zinc penny again. Here. Yep. Another zinc penny. Man, these targets are hard to get, man. Had a feeling there's gonna be two of them in there. Just had a feeling, man. I should have pinpointed it, man, but my pinpointer's acting up on me. Like always, like when does my pinpointer not act up on me, right? That's a copper penny. Then pinpoint again. And shut this thing up here. Oh, beautiful little point ball. Come to me, baby. Come on, baby. Another zinky. Oh, there's another one in there. There is another one in there. Come on, baby. Come to me. A little coin spill here. Of course, there's another one in there too. Come to daddy. Come on. Come to daddy, little ring. Oh, Jim is calling me. He's probably up there. He's got a ring or something. Don't tell me you got another ring, huh?
No, but there's a lot of targets popping up on Jewelry Hill, found a button, and it seemed like hunting here for the first time. Targets everywhere, nails and everything.
Okay, I'll be over there in 5 minutes.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. That was Jim. He's on Jewelry Hill. He said he was going to head towards Jewelry Hill. Actually, I'll probably be there in 10 minutes because it'll take me a little while to get there. I had to do a bunch of harsh terrain. Another penny right there. More in there. There is. This is a little coin spill, man. But you know what? If I'm getting a coin spills like this here, man, there's gonna be some rings here, right? And yet another one. Ouch. Sticker bushes everywhere. Right on top of it. Right in here somewhere. I don't think this one's gonna be a coin. little screw. Another coin right there. I should probably start looking at them, make sure they're not some goodies. Another coin right there somewhere. That would be another coin. Another copper. So I'll show you where I'm at. So right there, there's a huge dormitory. Right here, there's another dormitory. Over there, and over there, and over there. Over there, way over there. Big piles of rubble. Everywhere. There's just buildings everywhere out here, right? Let me crank it up here a little bit. But I'll come back later on. I'm gonna go over to Jewelry Hill. Jim is over there. It'll take me about 10 minutes to get over there. It might take me 15 minutes to get over there because I need to pick up all my copper. Need to pick up all my copper on the way there, right? Because I'm a scrapper, man. There's a little pathway leading right there to that other building right there. There's another pathway leading up to it. I'll show you. Little pathways all up and along these whole buildings here. So these areas right here, right in front of these buildings, are really good spots to detect in. And you can see all the rubble out there. Lots of cool stuff out there, man. In fact, let me swing over. This stuff right here. This is where the rings are going to be at, man. This is where the rings are going to be at. Right here, right in front of this walkway right here. You know what I'm saying? Coins and rings and jewelry. That's something big there. So I got a lot of copper and brass to be picking up. Another one goes straight out there. There's a bunch of big buildings over there. Yeah, baby. Lots of copper, man. Lots of copper. So I'm gonna head out over to him. I'll leave all my other copper up on the top of the hill there. Let's see, which way shall I go here? I don't really know which way I'm gonna go here. Shoot. I might be able to get to it from this way. I might be able to get to it from over here. Yeah. Okay, I'll go down here first to my truck.